Welcome back, fellow craftsmen, to our workshop. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: carving roughing and finishing toolpaths using different cutters. Whether you're working with wood or metal, this technique will help you achieve stunning results. To begin, we'll focus on the roughing toolpath using an Endmill. This step is crucial for removing excess material quickly and efficiently, especially when starting with a large block. By using a larger Endmill, we can remove more material in a single pass, reducing cutting time and stress on the tool. The roughing toolpath is characterized by larger steepovers and deeper cuts. Its primary purpose is to quickly remove the bulk of the material while maintaining the desired dimensions. As you can see, the Endmill efficiently hogs out the material, leaving behind a roughed-out shape. This sets the stage for the next step: the finishing toolpath using a ball nose cutter. The finishing toolpath is where the magic happens. It's time to bring out the intricacies and smooth contours of our design. For this, we'll be using a ball nose cutter. Its rounded tip allows it to follow the design's contours with ease, creating intricate details, tight corners, and smoothly blended surfaces. The ball nose cutter, with its smaller diameter, ensures finer levels of detail and a high-quality surface finish. Smaller steepovers and shallower cuts are employed during this stage, refining the workpiece gradually to achieve the desired smoothness and detail. Look at how the ball nose cutter delicately shapes the material, bringing our design to life. The result is visually appealing and meets the specifications of our project. Now, when choosing a ball nose cutter for your finishing toolpath, you have two options. The regular ball nose cutter is perfect for general purpose finishing, creating smooth curves and rounded features. But if you're working on intricate designs with varying depths, consider using a tapered ball nose cutter, also known as a tabard ball nose. Its tapered shape allows improved access to tight corners and intricate details. Whether you go with a regular ball nose cutter or a tapered ball nose cutter depends on the complexity of your design and the level of detail you wish to achieve. And there you have it, fellow craftsmen. Carving roughing toolpaths with an Endmill and achieving stunning results with a finishing toolpath using a ball nose cutter is the way to go. Remember, practice and experimentation are key to mastering this technique. So grab your tools, choose the right cutters, and let your creativity flourish. Thanks for joining us in the workshop today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest crafting adventures. Until next time, happy carving!